In this video, I am going to share with you Anycubic coupon code discount and the best promo code that will work for you with confidence. Just you have to go to this website. Then here you can see, also you can click on my video description link. Then here you can see you will get 50% off coupon code. Just click on the shop now button, then it will give you the discount. Also you can copy this coupon and apply in the coupon option. You will get the latest discount. Also here you can see $20 off coupon code, extra $60 off coupon code. Lots of coupon code is available for you, which will give you the best discount in every single product and make you feel happy. If you check out, then others discount is available for you. Just click on the shop now button. You will get the latest discount. Also on this option you will get Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals, which will help you more. They have lots of good quality product. Here you can see, and I already show you the latest discount, which will make you feel happy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get this kind of latest discount and promotion, which will help you more. See you in the next video.